Hello everyone and welcome back yet again to another daily update video. My name is CryptoStash and I hope you're all having an amazing week. Currently it is Tuesday and let's get right to the charts as Bitcoin is still consolidating right here in this tight range as you can see. Basically we are right now bouncing once again from the POC level. You can see the price has been very choppy lately. So what this means for the short term in Bitcoin is that, as I have told you, ever since in about like when we hit the lows right here at 85k, that we are in a holiday month right now. Liquidity is very low. There is absolutely no volume. The big market makers, they are all away. And as you can see, since we have no liquidity in the markets, we are just getting this choppy price action right now. Now today we do have emergency FOMC meeting, which potentially will bring some very nice volatility in the market, as you can see. So basically we do have that later in the day, basically, and I do expect after this FOMC meeting, and since we do have in about 1 day and 12 hours a new monthly candle opening, we are about to see some volatility actually come in the market. We might see price go lower to eventually, basically, since we do have a monthly candle, this right here is an engulfing candle, and usually the engulfing candles, they do technically repeat to the downside. Basically we are potentially going to get another candle, and if the engulfing candles actually plays out, then we are going to go lower and grab this liquidity right here. But as of right now, I am waiting on the new yearly pivots, which would come in about 1 day, the new pivots for 2026, and it's gonna be very interesting where the yearly pivot would be sitting, since I do think price will just go visit the new yearly pivot. If it is on the upside, then price would go up, but if it is lower than 79k, then expect us to potentially go lower. As I said, it's gonna be a very interesting start of the year. But right now on the short term, as you can see right here, we are bouncing again from the weekly, from the POC that we have right here. You can see this high volume node has been keeping price in the upside, even though we are rejecting from the moving averages right here. As you can see, basically we got small pump, and then immediate reversal. You can see right here we pumped, then reversed, we pumped slowly, then we reversed, we pumped, then we got that reversal. And yesterday on Monday, as I have told you on my X, we got that pump, but then we also got that immediate reversal, since, as I have told you, there is no volume, no liquidity in the market, and Bitcoin is struggling to pump. Even though the S&P 500 is sitting near all-time highs, the Nasdaq also is doing pretty well. Even though it is right now below the weekly pivot, we are still sitting above the EMAs, having very nice momentum on the stock market. And if Bitcoin and Ethereum manage to get this momentum going, you can see right here with our volume profile, Ethereum will potentially also go up to that POC. And if we start breaking above the POC, basically $3,100 would be the next price target at the value area high for ETH. Also, something very concerning right now is that we do have more liquidity stuck to the downside at 86.1k. So basically it is very possible that we see some more downside for Bitcoin to grab this liquidity. These lows that we have right here, basically in this order block, have not been swept yet. So it is very possible that if we get that nice volatility today, price goes down to sweep the lows before actually going back up to the value area high of the range. Now Solana also in a very interesting position. As you can see, if we go on a hard time frame, you can see Solana is sitting still at this macro level that we have right here, basically the value area low of this whole macro range that is right now going on since almost 2 years. Basically, you can see April 2024. Very big range, very important level for Solana right now, and as I have told you, it is very nice risk to reward ratio even if Solana goes up just to the POC and not the value area high. If you look at the open interest and the volume, as you can see, the volume right now is still weak. Open interest slowly climbing up, as you can see right now. If we start seeing more open interest, then potentially we are going to see that move happen finally this week. Bitcoin right now trading above the daily view up, as you can see, which is still nice. Let's look at the ETF, spot ETF. You can see yesterday I was right, we did have another outflow, as you can see right here. Let me just refresh the page for today. I do expect that we get finally some inflows coming into the spot ETFs. I do expect for us to see at least one green day coming into this week. Fear and Greed Index remaining right now at 29, nothing new here. Funding rates for Bitcoin on the major exchanges still remaining positive. And as I have told you in the beginning of the video, we do have that FOMC meeting today, which would be the most important thing in my opinion for the crypto markets. We do have PMI and unemployments also tomorrow, basically the last day of the year, the Wednesday, 31st of December. So it's gonna be very, very important 2 days, guys. And this will be it for today's update video. I hope you liked it, and I'll see you again in the next one. Bye.